Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show Do Today task in My Day in Microsoft To Do on Android. How to show Do Today task in My Day in Microsoft To Do on Android. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft To Do app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft To Do app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And a scrolling down menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. And tap Show Do Today task in My Day. So that's it, tutorial how to show Do Today task in My Day in Microsoft To Do on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.